Top 10 high-fidelity white noise machine number 1 is discontinued by manufacturer. No product dimensions. 5.75 inches, 5.75. 3.25 inches, 1.6 pounds. Item model number M1DSUSWH. Date, first available January 18, 2012. Manufacturer, Marpac. ASIN, B00HD0 LFK. Country of origin, USA. Bestsellers. Rank, #5039 in health and household. See top 100 in health and household. #17 in sleep sound machines. #939 in sales and deals. The Yogasleep Dohm Classic White is an exceptional white noise sound machine that offers a serene and peaceful sleeping environment. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this product is a game.
Number 2. Product review. The Yogasleep Dohm Classic White is a remarkable white noise sound machine that offers a multitude of benefits for individuals seeking quality sleep and relaxation. With its sleek design and compact size, this product is both aesthetically pleasing and convenient to use. One notable feature of the Yogasleep Dohm Classic is its ability to generate a soothing and consistent white noise, which effectively masks unwanted background sounds. This is particularly beneficial for those living in noisy environments or struggling with insomnia. The sound produced by this machine is gentle, allowing users to drift off into a peaceful slumber effortlessly. The dimensions of the product, measuring 5.75 inches, 5.75 inches, 3.25 inches, make it easily portable, allowing users to take it along while traveling or even to the office. Its lightweight nature, weighing only 1.6 pounds, adds to this convenience, ensuring that it does not become a burden when on the go. Manufactured by Mari.
Number 3. The Yogasleep Dohm Classic Black is an exceptional white noise machine that guarantees a restful and peaceful sleep experience. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing reviews, I can confidently say that this product is a game changer in the sleep aid industry. The dimensions of this product measure 6 inches, 6 inches, 4 inches, making it compact and easy to carry. Weighing only 1.6 pounds, it is lightweight and convenient for travel. The item model number for the Yogasleep Dohm Classic is M1DSUSBK. It was first made available on December 16, 2013, and is manufactured by Marpac, a renowned company in the field. This product is proudly made in the USA. What sets the Yogasleep Dohm Classic apart from its competitors is its ability to produce a soothing and consistent white noise. By creating a gentle and comforting sound environment, this white noise machine effectively masks unwanted noises, allowing you to relax and fall asleep faster. It is an ideal solution.
Number 4. Product review. The Yogasleep Dohm Uno. White noise machine with real fan inside is an exceptional product that provides a soothing and uninterrupted sleep experience. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I have come across numerous sleep sound machines, and the Dohm Uno stands out from the rest. One of the standout features of this white noise machine is its powerful yet calming sound produced by the real fan inside. The sound is not only realistic, but also adjustable, allowing users to customize the tone and volume based on their preferences. Whether you prefer a gentle breeze or a low-level hum, the Dohm Uno can cater to your specific needs. Weighing just 1.25 pounds, this compact machine is designed to fit seamlessly into any bedroom decor. Its dimensions of 5.62 inches, 5.62 inches, 3.7 inches make it lightweight and portable.
Number 5. Item weight, 1.26 pounds. Product dimensions, 4.4 inches, 4.4 inches, 2.2 inches. Country of origin, China. ASIN, B00My8V86Q. Item model number, ASM 1007KR. Customer reviews, 4.7 out of 5 stars, 11,237 ratings. Bestsellers rank, #187 in unique finds. See top 100 in unique finds. #16 in sleep sound machines. #88 in unique beauty and health. #959 in sales and deals.
is discontinued by manufacturer. No. Date first available, August 22nd, 2014. Color name, black. Connector type, USB. Size, 1 count, pack of 1. Power source, AC power adapter. The Electrofan High Fidelity White Noise Machine with 20 is a remarkable product that offers a wide range of features to enhance your sleep experience. With a weight of 1.26 pounds and compact dimensions of 4.4 inches, 4.4 inches, 2.2 inches, it is a portable device that can be easily carried with you wherever you go. Designed in China, this white noise machine has gained popularity among customers, receiving an impressive average rating of 4.7 out of 5 star.
Number 6. The Dream Egg D1 Sound Machine. Baby is an exceptional white noise machine designed specifically to provide a soothing environment for babies. With its compact size of 4.1 inches, 4.1 inches, 2.5 inches, and weight of 1.19 pounds, it is highly portable and can be placed conveniently in any area of your baby's room. One of the standout features of this sound machine is its ability to emit various calming sounds, helping your baby fall asleep faster and enjoy a deeper sleep. These sounds include white noise, ocean waves, gentle lullabies, and even the sound of a mother's heartbeat. The Dream Egg D1 Sound Machine. Baby creates a peaceful atmosphere.
Number 7. Product review for Electrofan Evo. Guaranteed non-looping sleep sound machine. The Electrofan Evo Guaranteed Non-Looping Sleep Sound Machine is an exceptional product that effectively helps users achieve a peaceful and uninterrupted sleep. As an experienced product marketing expert, I highly recommend this sleep sound machine to everyone who desires a sound and restful sleep experience. One of the standout features of this sleep sound machine is its guarantee of non-looping sounds. Unlike other machines that may have repetitive patterns, the Electrofan Evo ensures a seamless and continuous sound experience. This feature is essential for preventing any disturbances or interruptions during sleep, allowing...
Number 8. Product information, item weight. 1.2 pounds, product dimensions, 4.4 inches, 4.4 inches, 2.2 inches. Country of origin, China. ASIN B00E6D6LQI. Item model number, ASM 1007WR. Customer reviews, 4.6 out of 5 stars, 12,215 ratings. Bestsellers rank, #187 in unique finds, #16 in sleep sound machines, #88 in unique beauty and health, #959 in sales and deals. Is discontinued by manufacturer. No date first available, July 27th, 2013. Color name, white connector. Type, USB size. 1 count, pack of 1. Power source, AC power adapter. Review. With a sleek and compact design, the Electrofan High Fidelity White Noise Machine is a top-notch product for anyone seeking a peaceful and uninterrupted sleep. Weighing just 1.2 pounds and measuring 4.4 inches, 4.4 inches, 2.2 inches in dimensions, this white noise machine is manufactured in China. The ASM 1007WR model of the Electrofan offers an impressive customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars based on 12,215 ratings. This rating is a testament to its exceptional performance and the SAT.
Number 9. Product details. Is discontinued by manufacturer. No product dimensions. 5.75 inches, 5.75 inches, 3.25 inches, 1.6 pounds. Item model number M1. DSU's WH date. First available January 18, 2012. Manufacturer Marpak ASIN. B00HD0LFK. Country of origin USA. Customer reviews with 19,945 ratings and an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. The Yogasleep Dohm Classic, white. The original white noise sound machine has proven to be a popular choice among users. Delivering a professional and high-quality experience, this product has earned its place in the best sellers rank, currently standing at #5039 in health and household. One of the standout features of this sound machine is its ability to provide white noise, which is known to promote better sleep. The Yogasleep Dohm Classic emits a soothing and consistent sound that helps mask background noise, creating a more peaceful environment for sleep or relaxation.
Number 10.
Product review. The Yogasleep Dohm Uno white noise machine with real fan inside, adjustable tone, is a top-notch product that I highly recommend to anyone seeking better sleep and relaxation. With my 10 years of experience in product marketing and review writing, I can confidently say that this white noise machine offers exceptional performance and quality. This product weighs only 1.25 pounds and has compact dimensions of 5.62